Social work. Well, I grew up with a lot of people in my family that have mental illnesses. So I was kind of already doing social work growing up, but I didn't really know that that's what I was doing. When I look back to like my time at the factory, I was giving people therapy without a license, pretty much. So it just, when I started looking through the program guide and what I could do and what I couldn't do, it just seemed like it was me. Marty absolutely was a big influence, and she was the biggest cheerleader for all of us too. She was hard on us, but yet she was doing it for our own good. She wanted to see that growth. She wanted to see that we were going to go out in the world and we were going to do something with this degree, because it sets a really strong foundation. When I got to First Call for Help, I was amazed at how many Northwest State graduates that they had. And we were all very like-minded. We all had the same work ethics. We all had the same knowledge. They cram 4 years of knowledge into that 2-year degree. You get your money's worth. It's hard, but you get your money's worth. The one thing Marty always stressed is to get your social work assistant license. A lot of people don't do it, but that SWA means something. It means, the state is saying you're licensed for this, you're qualified for this. For me, it was better to actually get that associate's degree, achieve that, get that social work assistant license, and then I could start working. I was working at First Call for Help on the unit, but then I was working towards my bachelor's already having that license, so I was a licensed professional at that point.
Employment in the human services field is expected to grow faster than average through 2022 due to an increase in the elderly population and an increased demand for social, mental health, and substance abuse treatment. Graduates of the Human Services program may seek work as social workers, social and community service managers, or substance abuse or behavioral counselors. Those who continue their education to earn a bachelor's and/or master's degree will find even more opportunities within the human services field.
It's a pretty interesting job. It's never the same thing every day. We do a lot of group therapy, and I'm overseeing the program now. So I went from working in a factory to overseeing a program at a hospital. Yeah, it's pretty impressive.